What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog, welcome to the beautiful island of Puerto Rico where we have a nice sunny day. And today we're going to be doing a simple mod on the car. What car? Well, you have seen it on the introduction. It's a 2016 Kia Forte Koup. I'm going to present every single mod I have done to it till now. After that, I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing, and yeah, that's it. Although doesn't run like it sounds, because I haven't tuned the ECU and all that. I have a bunch of OEM restrictions on the computer, so I can't get all the horsepower that it has. But man, it runs great. When I tell you it runs great, it's just amazing. This car is amazing. I'm gonna show you just little pulls. Second gear pull, first gear pull, and after that I'm gonna show you what I'm going to be doing today. Ooh, sexy. There are some KDMs here, so yeah. I'm on my way to get a custom blow-off flange. The OEM doesn't sound that loud, so I want a louder sound on the blow-off, just to get a better flow of air, getting off the engine. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing today. After that, I'm gonna be cleaning the car, 'cause it's pretty dirty. I have a bunch of birdie shits like that one. I hate it. I've been with this car for about a year, and it hasn't given me no problems at all. I just love this car. It sounds great, and it runs great. It just needs that tune of the ECU to get all that power out, get all those restrictions out of the way, and just give this baby the boost it needs. Man, it's hot here in Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico is freaking hot these days. I don't know why. We're almost in Christmas, and man, it just gets hotter and hotter. It's supposed to be getting fresher, but it's not getting fresher. So let me get the traction control off. So let's get this pull. Telling y'all, this thing rips, man. Wow, you just feel the boost coming in, but when you get to that point of 6,000 RPMs, you feel the restriction holding back the car, so the horsepowers are not going out there and are not boosting the car enough to get it going, so I'm pretty anxious to get this car tuned up, but I gotta do some things first to get all the power, to get all the airflow going out great, and that's why I'm gonna put a blow-off valve. So let's get a second gear pull here. great, bro. I'm telling you, it sounds great. I gotta put to a lower engine mount. It has a 3-inch exhaust system all the way from the downpipe to the muffler, so I need to get a lower engine mount to get that motor stiff down the transmission. And let me get this windows up. So I gotta get that fixed, because if not, I'm gonna break the exhaust system, and I don't want to do that. It's pretty expensive, you know. I've invested like, I don't know, $600 on this exhaust system. So yeah, I need to fix that. I need to take care of that if I don't want to get on bigger problems later on life. So yeah, that's part of the plans I have for this car. I'm gonna do a video on the installation of that part, and tomorrow, I think, or today, I don't know when, I'm supposed to get a few things I ordered from Amazon. It says it gets here today before 8 p.m. but I gotta work. I'll be working on 8 p.m. so maybe I won't see it until I get here after going to work. Today we're going to be not installing, but getting this flange to a muffler shop so they can put the hole in it and just get it welded. And after that, I'm gonna pick it up, and tomorrow I'm gonna be doing the installation on that part. And after that, tomorrow maybe I'll be doing too the installation of the things I'm gonna get from Amazon. I'm not gonna tell you guys what they are, but they're just simple mods, or they're not mods, but whatever, I'll call them mods. So I'm gonna cut this clip and just gonna show you a little bit of Puerto Rico. So I just came home from the shop, and I'm going to be washing my car, so don't go away and watch this time lapse. Hey, stay. So I was cleaning the car and mail just got here, so I'm going to see if I got my package I was waiting for. Let's see. Ooh, there it is. Yeah. So we're going to be opening this package after we finish cleaning the car. So I still have to dry it off. When I finish drying it off, I will be opening this. So stay tuned. So I can't do this thing without this girl, so I'm gonna do it with her. This is the package I just received, and I'm gonna open it. Or you gonna open it? You wanna open it? You wanna open it? Open it. Open it. No, don't bite it. You gotta open it. So yeah, let's get with it. What do we have here? Ahí. Couple of whatever that is. Get that to me. Here we have this. Ooh. And this. Ooh, what is this? Do I have to show it to you guys first? So today I bought a Kia emblem. So there you have it with the carbon. I can do this without. Stop. So I have the Kia sign. I'm going to be installing it maybe tomorrow, not today, on the next video. So yeah, and we have another package here. That's my beautiful girlfriend with the dog. Her name is Laika, by the way. We have here, what do we have? Let's see. Ooh, so we have a bunch of decals that we're going to be putting on this video. Oh. So we have a bunch of decals. We have this thing, sticker whore, semi-flush, yeah. Drunk driver, here you go. Drip gets you laid. Does drift gets me laid? Does drift get me laid? She doesn't even know what that means. I love haters. Yeah, I do. Daily driven and whatever. Have a bunch of decals here. Woo! Yeah. So I'm going to be opening now this. Oh, so it's nice. This is nice. This is fake carbon. That's fake. Oh, it seems nice. It looks nice. I like it. This is how it looks out of the package. So I forgot to record the first sticker I put in the car. But yeah, this is it. I should have put it like down here maybe, you know, like, it looks good. I already had this sticker. Thank you. And now I am currently going to be putting these two stickers right here. I have a bunch of stickers inside the car. Stickers inside the car that I'm going to be installing today. Maybe here. Here. I don't know really where to put them, but yeah, I'm gonna put this one first, and then I'll show you the finished product of every single sticker installed. The finished product up front. I'm going to be putting, some things later, but yeah, this is just the start, and it looks good. Eat, sleep, boost. Ooh. So guys, sorry about this awkward transition to this part of the video, but I was late for work, and I just couldn't record anymore. So I'm just gonna leave it at this point, just because I have a lot of content and I have a lot to edit. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it for the next video, the next content I make. So if you did enjoy the video, go down below, like the video, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel so you get more content from KDM Nation PR. So see you on the next video. Peace.